नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ Q3 के रिजल्ट के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो गार्डन रिच शिप बिल्डर Q3 का रिजल्ट के बारे में आप लोगों के साथ आज डिस्कस करेंगे। और गार्डन रिच शिप बिल्डर Q3 रिजल्ट, डिक्लेयर डेट और डिविडेंड के बारे में, और डिविडेंड न्यूज़, शेयर प्राइस हिस्टोरी एंड मोर। GRSE Q3 result. The board of directors will also consider the declaration of a second interim dividend for the financial year 2025 to 26. Garden Reach Shipbuilder and Engineer Ltd will announce the result for the third quarter of financial year 2026 this week. It is a Miniratna Category-I shipmaker under the Ministry of Defence. It is the motto is the in pursuit and excellence and quality, and shipbuilding has everything you need to know about GRSE and Q3 financial year 2026 result announcement. GRSE Q3 result date and the dividend. In a exchange film date January 14, GRSE announced that the meeting, it is the board of directors, is scheduled on January 28, considered and approved the unaudited financial result for the quarter and 9 months ended December 31, 2025. The board of directors will also consider the declaration of second interim dividend for the financial year 2025 to 2026. GRSE Q3 result trading window closure. In compliance with the SBCB rules to prevent insider trading, the trading window of the dealing in security of the company is closed for the designated person and their immediate relative from the January 1 to January 10. GRSE Q3 result earning call details. The company is yet to announce the schedules for the earning will with the investor and analysts to discuss the Q3 financial year 2026. Or also read the question shipyard or Q3 result, date, dividend news, share price history and more. GRSE Q2 GRSE reported as 57% year-on-year raise in the profit after tax, raised 154 crore in Q3 financial year 2026 from last 98 crore in Q3 financial year 2025. Total income grew 42% YoY to raise 1,746 crore in Q2 financial year 2026 from dash 1,228 crore in the same period in the previous financial year. Thank you.